guys, this is Maria and welcome to my channel. If you love everything about making money online, especially trading the financial markets like Forex and cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Just subscribe and press the bell button so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share the video. Just a quick reminder. Trading the financial markets involves high risk, and you should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Now, let's begin. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to enter and manage Forex trades. And at the end, I will show you this new brand Forex indicator, the Trend Mystery. It's an amazing trend indicator that you will want to have all the information available. So stay tuned for that. Now, let's begin. How to find trades. The first step to finding an entry signal involves scanning your charts. You need to decide the best Forex pairs to trade and then scan the daily charts first. You should do this around the same time each day. The best time to analyze your daily charts is between the New York close and the European open. This is when the market action dies down from the previous day and the new day begins in Asia, which is typically not as active as the New York or Euro sessions. When I scan the graphics, I am looking for trends, levels, and price action. I will first determine if the market is trending or not. This is not an exact science, but for me, I like to see patterns of higher highs and higher lows, or low highs and low lows. And I also look at the direction of the 8 and 21 daily EMAs. I then mark any core levels that I see on the chart. This is so important because simple horizontal levels and price action is a very powerful combination. Check out my example of the pound-dollar daily chart. As you can see, I draw the support and resistance levels and I place the 8 and 21 EMAs. Note the pin bar setup in the chart above. After I have determined whether the market is trending or consolidating and drawn in the core horizontal levels, I will look for obvious price action signals forming within the structure of the market. I like to trade with the trend as much as possible and from points of value within the trend. But sometimes the market is not trending, and at these times we can look for price action setups near core support and resistance levels in order to trade a range-bound market or for counter-trend setups. In the case of the pound-dollar pin bar setup above, we can see the market was just starting to trend lower, which was made evident by the 8 and 21 daily EMAs crossing lower and price recently breaking down out of an obvious sideways trading range. The pin bar that formed was in line with the recent downward momentum, clearly rejecting the all support new resistance near 1.59 and was well defined and obvious. So since this pin bar met all the parameters in my Forex trading plan, I decided it was a good signal to trade. How to place stop loss. First, you want to try and place your stop at the most logical level possible. So on the pin bar setup below, I put my stop just above the high of the tail of the pin bar, because this represented the point at which the signal will be invalid for me. Note, you always want to enter your stop loss at the same time you enter your entry order. Never expose yourself to the market without a stop loss in place. We can see in the chart below that I had a stop loss distance of 100 pips, stop at 1.5887 and entry at 1.5787. This is important to know when figuring out our target, which we will discuss next. As you can see, here is my entry level, and I place the stop loss just above the high tail at 100 pips. How to find a target? When I set my target, I am looking to get a risk-reward of at least 1 to 2 or more. In the case of the pound-dollar pin bar trade below, my risk was 100 pips, so I am looking for a 200 pip reward distance or more. I checked to make sure there are no core support or resistance levels in the way of my desired target placement. If there is no major level in the way, I will place the target. If there is a core level that comes before 2 times risk, I will then use discretion to decide whether or not to take the trade. Sometimes I will take a reward of 1.5 times risk if I feel the setup is sound but there is a core level coming in just before 2 times risk. Here, my entry level, my stop loss at 100 pips above, and my target 200 pips below for a risk reward of 1 to 2. Final notes. Xrated is probably the most discretionary part of trading, and it's something you get better at over time. The biggest problem most traders make in regards to exits is not exiting in hope of bigger profits. Don't be a greedy trader. Take your profit of 1 to 2 or greater if it's there. If you have predefined that you will trail your stop in hopes of a larger profit based on your analysis of current market conditions, that's okay too. Just don't get into a game of setting your target and then moving it further away once price gets near it, or always thinking the market is going to run in your favor forever. Well, now let's talk about this brand new Forex indicator, the trend mystery. The trend mystery is just been released and is the new Forex indicator by Carl Dickman. As you can see, you can find a good trade by following all the steps above. But if you want to save time, or you don't have the time, or if you are a beginner, you can take a look at this new brand Forex indicator, Trend Mystery. What exactly is Trend Mystery? It's a powerful MT4 trend indicator that works on all pairs and in the time frames of 15 and 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily chart. Whenever a new signal is generated, Trend Mystery will inform you via pop-up sound alert, email alert, or a push notification sent to your mobile. You will receive the following information: which pair to trade, the time frame, the price entry level, the signal if it's a buy or a sell, the take profit, and the stop loss. As you can see, you will receive everything I explained in the beginning. Here you see which pair to trade, the time frame, the signal if it's a buy or a sell, the price entry level, the take profit, and the stop loss. So if you want more information about this amazing new brand indicator, Trend Mystery, just click the link below. You will not regret it. For me, it's all I have for now. Remember to subscribe and like the video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time, bye-bye.